Hello and welcome to this new video on how to access OneDrive on PC. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. And let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser, which is in the top of the web browser. There will be a search bar. You just have to click on the search bar and just type OneDrive and press enter in the keyboard. After that, the search results will be shown to you. So you can just click on that download text and download interface will be shown right in front of your screen, and you just need to click on that download button and download procedure will be started. And when you have successfully downloaded it, you just have to set up the OneDrive and you will be able to access OneDrive in PC. And another way to access OneDrive in PC is just go back and you just have to click on the Microsoft OneDrive search results. Just click on it and their home page will be appeared right in front of the screen. Now you just have to click on that sign in button, and after that you need to enter the email address, phone number or Skype with which you have created the Microsoft OneDrive account, and you just have to enter the password, and then you will be able to access OneDrive on PC. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.